Don't think that's supposed to be like that. Ceiling muffler. Time to get this fixed. Just gonna re-weld it back on and put a zip tie on the bracket. Exhaust is off the bike. Now just gotta weld it together. Got it all welded. And I brush it off. It's not the best, but it'll work. Hopefully it stays on, and if not, make it better. Do it right next time. But just a quick and easy fix, and yeah, like just as much as you could do the laziest way though. So yeah, get it back on and then maybe go for a little rip.